Hi, I'm Jeff Palomo with Palomo and Associates. You are getting this email video because you are a client of ours. You decided to do a base will plan with our firm. First, I want to say thank you. Thank you for entrusting your estate planning with our firm. We are honored and we are committed to being there for you and your family. We polled many of you and asked many of you, why did you decide to go with the base will plan and not the asset protection plan? And the number one reason we heard, cost, 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 right? And I get it. We totally get it. We did a deep delve into our firm and into the numbers. And as you know, my entire drive and purpose is so that what happened to my family doesn't happen to yours. So we have been for 14 years all about education, 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 and we still are. But the problem with the old model was that everybody who came to a workshop got a free consult, and then a significant portion wanted a second meeting, and then a significant portion wanted a third meeting. And what was happening was we were doing 30 to 40 free meetings a week, and then many people chose not to move forward. And that is just not a sustainable model. It is just not a model that you can sustain because it just doesn't work, right? So we have a new model at Palomo and Associates. We have a new pricing structure. We have a new way of doing things. We have a new workshop. So what I'd like to do is to invite you personally to come to our upcoming workshop. You will be in a room full of people who did base plans with our firm and who are considering upgrading. And again, this new model saves 58% according to the old model. So huge savings, not much more than what you already paid for your base plan. And yes, because you already did a plan with our firm, we will give you credit for what you paid for towards the cost of this new plan. It'll come right off the top. So give our office a call. Please register for the upcoming 3 Secrets workshop to learn how you can get that asset protection trust, get that revocable trust, do it in a way that is cost affordable for you and your family. We look forward to seeing you at the upcoming 3 Secrets workshop. Until then, we'll see you real soon.